Do you lay awake at night, worrying if there might be bugs on your website that would annoy your users? Are you still spending hours manually testing your web application? Have you thought about automating your UI tests, but felt daunted about getting started? Well, TAMI is here to help you. TAMI is an AI assistant that helps you automate tests for your web application. Simply give it a prompt, like search for breaded fish sticks on marthastewart.com, and TAMI will write a test script that you can run on UIlicious, an online tool for testing websites across browsers. Let's try a couple more examples. How about buy a white Billy bookcase from IKEA Singapore? What about get a quote for travel insurance from World Nomads? Oh, it's so simple. With TAMI, I can automate tests for my website within minutes and save so much time. Try TAMI today. Now available for free at snippets.uilicious.com. Test user journeys, not HTML, and serve your users a perfect experience.